What is the correct term for the mouse pointer / nipple / joystick thingy in the middle of a laptop's keyboard? I want to call it a mouse nipple or maybe a joystick, although I know these are not correct. It's different from the touchpad, which is below the keyboard and has dedicated click buttons. Instead, it sits smack in the middle of the keyboard at the bottom right corner of the G key and bottom left corner of the H key. Tapping it translates to a click, and nudging it left / right / up / down controls the pointer on the screen. What is the correct term for this thing? I'd like to Google some info about configuring it, but my Google foo fails without the proper name.
The above device is generically called pointing stick. The pointing stick, trademarked by IBM as a track point and by Synaptics as the touchstick, is an isometric joystick used as a pointing device, compare especially touchpad and trackball. It was invented by research scientist Ted Selker. It is present on many brands of laptops, including Lenovo's line of ThinkPad laptops, Toshiba Tecra laptops, HP Business notebooks, and on Dell Latitudes under the name of Track Stick. It has also been used on computer mice and on some desktop keyboards, as an integrated pointing device.
Apparently, the thing goes by many different names. One of the most formal names is trackpoint style pointer. Other less formal or abusive names can be found on XKCD, 16+, may not be safe for work.
There is no single correct term since there is no de jure authority for naming of computer parts. Different manufacturers use different names. You could therefore choose to regard the maker's name for a thing as its correct name. IBM, TrackPoint. Dell, TrackStick. Toshiba, AcuPoint. See this URL.
I like to call it the GHP stick, since it usually resides between G, H, and B. However, I'm not aware of anyone else using that particular terminology.